Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check serial number for your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro. And we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can use a box, and at the bottom of the box, right here we have SN, what means serial number, so you can check it right here. Also, we can use a charging case. You need to open it and then turn over it. And right here at the left side we have SN. Yeah, and as you can see we have it, so you can also check it here. Now, the last option is to use an application. Open Soundcore application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see this menu. Now, tap on your device at the device list here, and then scroll down. Go to More Settings, and right here at the top, in the first line, we have serial number, and you can check it and also copy it by click right here at the copy icon. And as you can see, I just did it. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!